Today, let's walk through the printing workflow for Gingiva models. Start by pouring the specialized Gingiva resin into the UV printer and initiate the print. Once the printing is complete, proceed with the post-processing steps. First, remove the Gingiva model manually using a scraper. If you're handling multiple models, you can use the U-Detach device for easier removal. Next, clean the model using the U-ish cleaning machine. Finally, cure the model with the U-Cure curing unit. Remove the supports, and finish with polishing. And that's the complete workflow. Follow Eunice for more professional insights into dental 3D printing. More content is on the way.